Hi, welcome to Home Health Meal Preparations by me. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to need some chuck steak beef. And if you want to know what it looks like, you can zoom on here and you can see what type of meat that it is. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to start with the meat. We have two types of seasoning that I like to use, and that's all that I put on here. Goya Sazon, the orange one, and Sazon Tropical, the green one as well. They're good together. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to season the top part with both. I use all the whole packet. Then you're going to take your piece of meat carefully, bring it closer so there's no drippings. Your magic crock pot there. Season side down. Season the top. That's the packet. Another packet here. Okay, that's done. Check your allergies, folks. These are the ingredients that I use, and that's all that I use, unless you request anything different. You can put any type of seasonings in here as you want, okay? So now that we put our powder seasoning, I already have cut up here some onions. And I really, really love garlic, so garlic on. All right, once that's done, we're gonna need some. This is cream of cheddar cheese. You can choose mushroom, broccoli and cheese. You have those options. But then I go ahead and I pour it over my meat. Okay. Then once that's done, I cover it and I set it in for 4 hours, okay, on high. All right, so thank you very much. Once again, that's meal preparation for beef chuck steak. All right, thanks for tuning in, folks. Bye.